Before we start working on the car, make sure you're following basic garage safety. Wear safety glasses, gloves, support the vehicle with jack stands. Also, disconnect the battery before working near airbags.
Copart flip. Both doors destroyed. Can I fix this? This car was hit so hard both doors were completely stuck. Getting them open was a mission. All right. We finally got the doors off. That was a mission because the impact pushed everything in. We're going to take out the deployed airbag, inspect the roof rail, and see what parts need to be replaced before we start putting this car back together. Curtain airbag, seat airbag, steering wheel airbag, crash sensors, airbag module reset, driver front door, driver rear door, curtain airbag, headliner, fender, suspension parts, rocker repair, seat airbag replacement. After a lot of work removing the damaged doors, replacing the airbags, fixing the suspension, and putting everything back together, the car is finally finished.